Now let's send it over to the chief. He's up north today for the place to be. Patrick, what's up?
Yeah, so up here, ironically enough, probably in that one area, the Arklatex, or at least part of it, that has the best chance of seeing that snowfall for you here for the upcoming week, towards the end of this week, I should say. I'm at Red River Credit Union, their first location, I believe, here in southeast Oklahoma. And if many of you are familiar with Red River Credit Union locations all around the Arklatex as well, but that's where we are to support, and that's what we do with Place to Be at Patrick D, support and showcase local businesses, and this is one of them. I have Brooke here. Brooke, come on in here with me. Brooke, by the way, she's a little nervous going on, so let's all treat her really nice here for here today. So, Brooke, you're here. Are you over this branch or what exactly?
I am. I'm the branch manager here.
The branch manager here. And you all, I think, more than 30 locations now, I believe it is?
Yeah, it's knocking on 40.
Knocking on 40 there with it. All across the Arklatex. And was I correct, this is the first one in southeast Oklahoma?
Yes, this is the very first branch in Oklahoma. We're excited.
Okay. And also, let's talk a little bit about history. 1940s it all started, I think it was?
1943.
Okay, 1943 started. Mm-hmm. So your specialty is what? I mean, whenever somebody comes in, other than just bringing the branch manager, what do you do?
I'm the loan officer here.
Okay, and you specialize in what kind of loans?
We do auto, we do recreational.
Okay.
Unsecured, secured loans, and just different types of loans like that.
So I know a big deal for folks lately is obviously buying a car.
Absolutely.
And doing that there. And I know we had things recently also where, there was a time period where the interest rates went a little up and all that. Are y'all able to go and try to be competitive with it these days?
Yes.
And what do people need to do? Because they go to an auto lot, maybe right down the road here. Mm-hmm. What should they do if they want to come see you and talk about getting a loan from Red River Credit Union?
All right, so we offer very competitive interest rates because we are ran by a board.
Okay.
So it's all volunteer work. So that way we're able to offer the cheaper interest rates, very competitive.
Well, now, will the auto place here contact you guys, or is it up to the consumer to get in touch with you to ask you about it?
We have an indirect auto mortgage.
This auto, okay.
Department. We have indirect, and then you can come in and I could be your individual loan officer.
Okay, do that. So great idea. Can anybody come to Red River Credit Union or what?
Absolutely.
So I could come to Red River Credit Union?
Come get a membership and we can help you out.
Okay. So I jokingly told her that sometimes this might seem like 20 minutes or 20 seconds. Was that okay?
Yeah. I fumbled a few times.
No, you didn't. You did fine there with it. Place to Be with Patrick D, supporting another local business. It's a brand new location. Idabel, Oklahoma is where we are. Red River Credit Union, and we'll talk more about what the services they have coming up in a little bit.
Looking a little warmer indoors there, Patrick. We'll check him into here in just a bit.
I'm going to send it over to the main part of the weather team, the chief over there, Patrick Dennis. He's at the Place to Be, somewhere very cold.
I'm not sure if I say the main part. Everybody plays a part there with it, but I appreciate that. We are live for you right now, the Place to Be with Patrick D. We are up here in beautiful Idabel, Oklahoma, folks. Blue skies, but very cold temperatures out there. I'm sure I'm going to be going back out again over right after the top of the 4 o'clock hour. So where are we? Place to be. We always love supporting local businesses. Why are we here? Brand new location, Red River Credit Union, located here in Idabel. Red River Credit Union locations, probably approaching 40 across the region here, but the first time they are here in southeast Oklahoma. Mark, come on in here, because here's something I didn't really realize here. We talked earlier with Brooke about, dealing with as far as auto loans and doing that, but I didn't realize you yourself, you're basically a financial planner. You are the Red River Credit Union Financial Services.
Yes, sir. Our department, we're financial services, and we offer services that most credit unions do not offer. We specialize in. We do life insurance.
Okay.
We also help people with annuities. We help people with Social Security. I'm a registered Social Security analyst, so people have questions about that. And then right now and lately, we've been helping people with Medicare with their plans to help them guide them through that.
Interesting. So is there a certain age group here, or it could be for anybody?
It can be for anybody. And they also, we're here for the community. So anyone can call and talk to us. And we'll be happy to help them with any of those, anything that they have.
Yeah, because like I said, I did not realize that thinking of a financial planner here. I think of whether it's a credit union sometimes or a bank sometimes. I think of, let me go deposit my money. You got a savings account there, maybe some loans, but that's pretty much where I stopped thinking about it.
Right, yeah, and again, these services are new for credit unions, and again, that's why most people haven't heard of them, but we really go out there and strive to help everybody in the community with these questions that they have, because all the things that we do, they come up.
So this is a new location here, Red River Credit Union, Ida Bell, Oklahoma. If somebody's around in this area here, or perhaps any around near one of your other branches, is that something there they should call, stop by, or what when they want to talk about these kind of services?
Yes, please. We encourage them to call. We're located out of Texarkana, but of course we can come here and meet them if they would like us to. Our number is 903-735-3132.
So because of the type of specialty you are, you're not necessarily in every one of them, but you can come to.
Right, yes, sir. We're specialized, so they can call our department and we will make a plan to meet with them.
Okay, great. Sounds good there. So anyway, once again, big opening here for you. Now opened in Ida Bell, Oklahoma. Red River Credit Union for you, the place to be with Patrick D. We'll have more coming up for you in our 4 o'clock hour. And of course, we'll have a recap as well, talking about that weather.
All right, Patrick, looking forward to that. Thank you.
Now, let's send it over to Patrick, see where he's at for the place to be on this chilly Monday.
Yeah, we are actually up here, Caroline, in beautiful Ida Bell, Oklahoma, southeast Oklahoma, McCurtain County, celebrating the opening of the Red River Credit Union location up here in this part of the Arklatex. They got several locations around the region, pretty much, I would say, one probably close to where you live, anywhere in the Arklatex. But right now, we're going to still talk about some of the things they got going on. Bob, come on in here. Red River Credit Union. I've had a chance to talk to Bob on more than one occasion, specifically about the credit union here. So, new location up here, southeast Oklahoma. This seems to be a booming area up here. A lot of tourists come to this region as well. A lot of people live here too.
That's exactly right. A lot of activity taking place in this area, and we're excited to now have a presence in the state of Oklahoma here in Ida Bell, and look forward for great things to happen here.
So we're up here. You've been with Red River how many years?
A little over 7 years.
So a little over 7 years. So what's your specialty?
I do commercial lending. So I'm a commercial lender, and we offer different types of loan opportunities and commercial services to our members.
Okay. So what kind of things, there's some special ones that you wanted to talk a little bit about. What are those that you offer?
Well, as far as our services, we do offer like a money market account, that sort of thing. We have a program called Auto Books, which is ideal for someone who works out in the field. Maybe they're a landscaper, maybe they do irrigation type work where they're being paid in the field. Okay. So we have an option where they can actually produce an invoice, they can receive payment from the customer in the field, it goes directly into their account. So it's a great opportunity that we have there. Then we also offer various types of loan products. We do investment real estate loans, that's the major part of our portfolio. We also do equipment loans, both new and used. We also do business use vehicle loans. And so lines of credit. And so we do a lot of different types of commercial products.
Okay, I'm going to put you on the spot here, though, real quick here. So we said basically, I guess, almost 40 locations. So we have the first one in Oklahoma.
Right.
We have them in Arkansas.
Right.
We have in Texas.
Texas, Louisiana, and Mississippi.
Okay. So it started back in the 1940s?
That's right. We were chartered through the Red River Army Depot. That's where our charter came from to begin the credit union. Okay.
So a new location here in Ida Bell, Oklahoma. Beautiful area. It's a little cold outside right now. But again, it seems like you guys are almost a one-stop shop for anything sort of those financial services people need.
That's exactly right. Our staff here at the Ida Bell branch can take care of any needs that our members have, whether it's on the loan side or whether it's on the savings side.
Nice, nice. Once again, everybody, the place to be with Patrick D. All about promoting local businesses, and Red River Credit Union has, like I said, almost 40 locations now stretching across the Arklatex and even over into Mississippi. So come check them out. For now, though, we'll send it back to the studio.
All right, Patrick, thank you.
Let's send it over to the place to be with Patrick D. He's up north today, and that place could get some wintry weather later this week, but I don't think that's what Patrick's talking about today.
Yeah, exactly right there, Caroline. We are up here in southeast Oklahoma, and as you made mention of, probably one of the areas has the highest percentage and chances of seeing that wintry precip in the form of snowfall on Thursday. So please stay up to date on that as far as seeing it. But let's talk a little bit about where we are. Red River Credit Union, brand new location. Matter of fact, they're doing their ribbon cutting tomorrow at 11:30 here off of Southeast Washington is where they are in Ida Bell. So if you're in the area tomorrow, around 11:30 here, Red River Credit Union, come on by and see them. Come on over here and see me right now. This is Kale. And Kale, your specialty has to do with what?
Yes, sir. We're doing the mortgages in my department. So that's headquartered in Texarkana with the rest of our headquarters. And then I'm out of the Greenville branch. I help out with Paris, and I help out here in Ida Bell.
Okay, so you have that there. So your area there, what is your specialty as far as things services that you offer?
Sure. So for mortgages, we're talking purchases.
Okay.
We're talking refinance, home equity loans. We're talking construction or land purchases as well.
So this day and age, I know a lot of people have been probably shopping around a lot
Sure.
for mortgages because of the rates that had gone up, during last year, and they're trying to look for the best. So what are you telling people when they come and shop?
Interest rates had a good little decline. They enjoyed it last year, but it's looking like they're going to stay steady this year. We offer other things to mitigate that, lower closing costs. We offer a 3% down program with no mortgage insurance. The interest rate might be higher, but if your mortgage insurance is $0, that's going to help you out tremendously on what you can qualify for.
People have questions about this because I know you said it's centered there, your office there at Texarkana.
Sure.
But if they want to come to a branch, is that something they can just easily drop by, or should they place a phone call so they make sure they meet up with the right person?
Good deal. So our whole application process will be online,
Okay.
but every branch should have someone who can come out and meet you upon appointment. I office out of Greenville most of the time, but I'm more than happy to come by any branch as long as we can make an appointment.
Okay. So once again, folks, they've opened up a new branch here, Idabel, Oklahoma. Tomorrow, 11:30. Official ribbon cutting going on. I was hearing them talk to somebody just a moment ago. I think she said treats and stuff. That just caught my attention. And so anyway, so come on over here, the place to be with Patrick D, right here in beautiful Idabel, an area getting ready for some wintry weather later on this week. For now, we'll send it back to the studio.
Patrick Dennis, nice and warm inside. He's a smart man. Thanks, Patrick.